Rahal, and he is 7th. Graham Rahal, 7th. Nice job. He's in the top 9 for the moment. Well, on around the world watching this moment as Fernando Alonso prepares for his.
The world champion in 2005 and 2006 is on the racetrack. He's created quite a stir here at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. He's one of the most beloved and many people say one of the most talented drivers in the world. And he decided to give up the Monaco Grand Prix to come here and race at Indianapolis with McLaren colors.
Let's see what he can do. This Spaniard named Benny Autosport has been spending lots of time working with him. He's been working in simulators. When he's not here at the track turning laps, he's to the backstretch. Eyes on Fernando Alonso, the 29, 32 Grand Prix victories, which is amazing, and now he chases the big one, the Indy 500, and he's over at turn number 3, now turn 4. Eyes on the north end as we bring Fernando Alonso to the green flag waving, and the run is underway.
231.827. Yesterday, don't forget that he had never driven an Indy car. He had never driven on an oval until he came here for rookie orientation. He zipped through that with no difficulties whatsoever, has been very steady, and he has learned a lot just in this past week of practice, dealing with traffic and the speed that he'll be going in the 500.
The warm-up, a decent 225 miles an hour. Alonso coming off of turn number 4 to lap number 1. Let's bring him to the line for lap 1. Lap number 1 over 230 miles an hour. 30.337. He's the fastest so far today. Alonso is after it.
He says he does have some concern about racing at these speeds and in these conditions for 3 hours. He has never driven in a race quite that long. But he has shown so much promise here on the 2.5-mile oval. The best so far are Fernando Alonso. Let's see if he can keep that up.
And he has slowed down a little bit down on the north end of the track. Here he comes off of turn number 4, halfway home for Fernando Alonso, lap number 2. Still over 230.260, early second on track. Dropped down just a little bit. He's down to second fastest, but good enough to be in the top 9 for the shootout tomorrow.
He says his dad wanted a member of the family to be a race driver, so he built a go-kart for his sister. His sister didn't want to race, so at 3 years old, he was put in the go-kart and has been improving every year. Fernando Alonso.
Short shoot, turn 4, lap 3, white flag waving, the 29, charging. Lap number 3, he dropped down just 229.845 for Fernando Alonso, and he's second quickest right now. Average speed 230.147. Dixon right now, 4-lap average is quicker.
Dave, according to our tracker, he's fluctuating between the second quickest and the third quickest, so the north end of the racetrack is going to be very important on this last lap.
Come on, fans, let's cheer him on. He is a rookie at the Indy 500, qualifying for the first time. There's the checkered flag for Fernando Alonso. Lap number 4.